Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix memory leak issue in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing memory leak issue on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open the task manager. Right click on start menu. In this you can see a task manager. Click on the task manager. Here you need to search Windows Explorer. You need to scroll down. You can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click. Click on restart. After that you need to close this window. Go to the start menu. Then type here settings and hit enter. In left section you can see here Windows Update. Click on the Windows Update. You can see here check for update. Just click on the check for update. If any update is available, you can update it from here. After updating, just close this window. Click on the start menu. Then type here File Explorer option. Click on File Explorer option. Guys, in this you can see here View. Under View tab, you need to find Launch folder Windows in a separate process. You need to check mark this option. Click on Apply and click OK. After that, again you need to click on Start menu. Then type here Memory Diagnostic. You can see here Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on that. Click on Restart now and check for the problems. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows memory leak issue on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.